David, you made it. I am so happy to see you. Come in, come in.
Hi, Anna. Of course I made it. I would not miss your housewarming party for anything. Congratulations on your beautiful new apartment.
Thank you so much for coming. It means a lot to have all my friends here to celebrate with me. Please come inside and make yourself at home.
It was very kind of you to invite me. I brought you a little something to celebrate. It is a traditional housewarming gift.
Oh, David, you really shouldn't have. But thank you. That is so thoughtful of you. Can I open it now?
Please do. It is nothing big. It is just a small token to wish you lots of happiness in your new home.
It is a beautiful potted plant, an orchid. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. It will be perfect for my new living room.
I am so glad you like it. I thought a living plant would be a nice way to bring some more life and color into your new space.
It is the perfect gift. I will find a special spot for it on the windowsill. Now, let me take your coat. Please come all the way in.
Wow, Anna, just wow. This place is incredible. My first impression is that it is so bright and airy. I love it.
Thank you. That is the first thing I fell in love with when I saw the apartment. The windows are so big and they let in so much natural light all day long.
I can see that. It makes the whole space feel so much bigger and more open. And the wooden floors are beautiful. They give the apartment such a warm and elegant feeling.
I was so happy when I saw the floors. It is a beautiful old building, but the inside has been completely modernized. It feels like the perfect mix of old and new. Let me give you the quick tour. We are standing in the living room now. This is the main space where I will be spending most of my time.
You have done such a fantastic job with the decoration. It already looks so cozy and stylish. I especially love your new sofa. The dark blue color is very beautiful.
Thank you for noticing. I spent a long time looking for the perfect sofa. I wanted something that was comfortable for watching movies, but also elegant enough for when guests come over.
Well, you found the perfect one. And the soft gray rug underneath it is a great choice too. It makes the whole seating area feel very defined and inviting.
That was the idea. I wanted to create a cozy corner for relaxing. I am still waiting for a new bookshelf to arrive. It will go against that empty wall over there.
A big bookshelf will look amazing there. You can fill it with all your books and maybe some of your travel souvenirs. The living room is just perfect. I can imagine spending many happy evenings here. What is through that doorway?
This is the kitchen. I am so excited to show you. It is probably my favorite room in the entire apartment.
Oh, wow. I can see why. This is a dream kitchen. It is so modern and clean. All the white cabinets and the stainless steel appliances look so professional.
I know. I feel like a professional chef when I am in here. My old apartment had such a tiny, dark kitchen. This feels like a palace in comparison.
And you have so much counter space. It is perfect for preparing big meals. What is your favorite feature in here?
My favorite thing is definitely this new espresso machine. It was a gift from my parents. It makes the most delicious coffee. I will have to make you a cappuccino before you leave. I am so happy to finally have a kitchen that I love to cook in. It makes such a difference.
I am sure it does.
And what is that door in the living room? Does that lead to a balcony?
It does. It's just a small balcony, but it's another one of my favorite things about this apartment. Let's go outside for a moment. Watch your step.
This is fantastic. Even a small balcony is a wonderful luxury in the city. You can put some chairs out here and a few potted plants.
That is exactly my plan. I want to create a little green oasis out here. And the view is not too bad either, is it?
Not bad? Anna, the view is incredible. You can see the rooftops of the old town and the mountains in the distance. It is absolutely breathtaking.
It is especially beautiful in the morning when the sun is rising over the mountains. I love to come out here with my morning coffee. It is such a peaceful way to start the day.
I can imagine. A coffee on this balcony would be the perfect start to any day. You are so lucky. You have really made this apartment look amazing in such a short time.
Thank you. It has been a lot of work, but also a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the process of decorating and making the space my own.
Did you have any help with it, or did you do everything by yourself?
My father helped me with the painting, which was a huge help, but I did most of the decorating and furniture shopping myself. It was a great creative project.
I can imagine. What was the most challenging part of the process?
The hardest part was definitely assembling all the flat pack furniture. I bought a big bookshelf from IKEA, and it came in 100 different pieces. It took me a whole weekend to put it together. I almost gave up a few times.
I know exactly what you mean. The instructions can be so confusing. It is like a very difficult puzzle.
It is, but I felt so proud of myself when I finally finished it. Now, let's go back inside. The apartment itself is wonderful, but the neighborhood is also a big reason why I chose this place.
Oh, yes, you have moved to a really great part of the city. I have always loved this neighborhood. It has so much character.
It really does. It has everything I need, all within walking distance. There is a lovely big park just 2 streets away, which is perfect for going for a run or just a relaxing walk on a Sunday.
That is so convenient. Having green space nearby is so important when you live in the city. What about the shops?
The shops are fantastic. There is a great little bakery, a beckery, on the corner that sells the most delicious fresh bread. And on Saturday mornings, there is a wonderful farmer's market, a Bauernmarkt, in the main square.
A farmer's market. I am so jealous. You can buy all your fresh, local fruit and vegetables there. You have really found the perfect location. This is such a great party, Anna. You have so many friends. I am looking around the living room now, and it is full of happy, smiling people.
I feel so lucky. It is so nice to have everyone together in one place to celebrate with me. Do you know many people here?
I know a few people. I can see your colleagues from your office over by the window, and I recognize your cousin, Martin, who I met at your birthday party last year.
Yes, Martin is here with his new girlfriend. I should introduce you to her later. She is very nice.
I would like that. Who is the older couple sitting on the sofa? They look very elegant.
Those are my wonderful neighbors from my old apartment, Mr. and Mrs. Huber. They were so kind to me over the years. They were like my second grandparents. I had to invite them.
That is so sweet of you. It is a really nice mix of people. The atmosphere is so warm and friendly.
I am so glad you think so. I was a little nervous about hosting my first party here, but it seems to be going well. Can I get you something to drink?
I would love a drink. Thank you. What do you have?
I have some Austrian white wine, some beer, and also some sparkling water with lemon and mint. And I made a big bowl of punch.
The punch sounds tempting, but I think I will just have a glass of sparkling water for now, please. And the food you had prepared looks delicious.
Thank you. I didn't cook a big meal. I just made a lot of simple snacks and finger foods. I made some traditional Austrian Brötchen, which are little open-face sandwiches.
They look amazing. I can see some with ham, some with cheese, and some with smoked salmon. You have been very busy. I'm going to try one right now.
This little sandwich is delicious. You are a wonderful host, Anna. You have thought of everything.
I am just happy that everyone is having a good time. It makes all the hard work worth it.
Well, I just want to say again, congratulations on your new home. You have done such an incredible job of making it a beautiful, cozy, and welcoming space. It really feels like a reflection of your personality.
That is one of the nicest compliments I have ever received. Thank you so much, David. It really means a lot to me.
I am truly so happy for you. This new apartment is the start of a wonderful new chapter in your life. We should all raise a glass to that.
Thank you, my friend. Now, please, don't let me keep you. Go and get yourself that sparkling water and go and mingle with the other guests. Enjoy the party.
I will. Thank you again for inviting me to share this special day with you.